Hello, I am oral presentation English level 2. 1. Introduce myself. 2. Tell about my trip, my experience in Cali. 3. The weather in Cali. 4. Recommendation if you're to Cali. Number 1. My name is Catherine Tatiana Gutierrez Zambrano. I am a student of business administration and work as administration in a French company. I consider myself an energetic and happy person and enjoy share with my family. I like go to see movies and do exercise. Number 2. My trip to Cali was nice. I knew Buga and their shirts like Mita. The weather all the time was sunny and the people were friendly. Number 3 and 4. But you should travel in company of someone that know about the city. And you should take care of your belongings. You shouldn't forget the sunscreen. Thanks.